Welcome to your Platform Q learning experience. This video tutorial will show you how to read an SAP table from an SAP system to create a data sources Q object. There are a couple of learning objectives that we want to achieve. The learning objectives are: understand that you can read SAP tables with the data sources application, learn how to find the basic RFC function module within the data sources application, learn how to search for SAP tables. Be aware that you can perform advanced operations such as conditions and filter by Q object. And learn how to execute a data sources Q object. In SAP ERP, SAP ECC and SAP S/4HANA, you can read SAP ABAP tables. SAP tables are created, displayed and maintained via the SAP data dictionary using different transactions. You can read these tables with the data sources application by using the function module basic RFC. RFC is an abbreviation and stands for remote function call. Platform Q reuses the service and enables you to display the information via the data sources application. Open the data sources application. Afterwards, click on Create New Object. A list with all used templates will be displayed next. You need at least one connected SAP system to use the basic RFC function module. Select one SAP system and navigate through the function module menu. At the bottom, you will find the function module basic RFC. Click on it and navigate to the function module read table. In read table, you can search for SAP tables. You can either use the technical key or the label of the SAP table. We are going to search for the purchasing document header, also known as echo. You can search for any available SAP table in your connected SAP system. Click on Select Fields to display all fields of this SAP table. You can now disable or enable fields. Next to the name of the field is also the technical name. On the right side, you can see the data type and the length of the field. Please note that before reading the data, you can already set various filters to specify the data you want to display. Moreover, you can also filter your SAP table with other Q objects and their field values. Set a name for the Q object to identify it later. The name of the Q object will also appear on the Q object tile. In our example, we are going to name the object Purchasing Document Header SAP ERP. Click on Save and Execute to start the reading process of the data. After a couple of seconds, the result set will be displayed. Let's summarize what we have learned so far. The data sources application allows you to read SAP tables. Furthermore, you need to use the basic RFC function module to select the SAP tables you need. Moreover, you can set conditions and filter by Q objects to specify the data you want to display. Thank you very much for your attention. We hope that you enjoyed this learning experience with Platform Q.